Dear friends, welcome to Electrical Engineering Series. This is Srikumar with you. Today we are going to calculate the power consumed by an electrical and AC circuit. AC circuit in the power consumption. That is easy to discussion. How to calculate the power consumed by an AC circuit easily. Here an RL circuit is given. Resistor inductor circuit, and inductor is a pure one. Its inductive reactance XL is not given. Then value of the resistor is 3 ohm. Input voltage 10 volt. Current drawn by the circuit 2 ampere. With this data, can you give the answer of this question? That is, how much power is consumed by this circuit? Okay. Actually, the power consumed by this circuit is equal to the power consumed by the resistor, because the pure inductor will not consume any power. Then let us calculate the power consumed by the resistor using the formula I square R. I square R എന്ന formula ഉപയോഗിച്ച് നമുക്ക് ഈ resistance consume ചെയ്യുന്ന power calculate ചെയ്യാം. Okay, നമുക്ക് അത് calculate ചെയ്യാം. I2 into 2 into value of the resistor 3 ohm. You will get 12 watt. That is, power consumed by the resistor is 12 watt. That will be equal to the total power consumed by the circuit, because pure inductor will not consume any power. Let us check whether it is true or not. Okay, let us redraw this circuit as this. Resistor 3 ohm, then inductor reactance 4 ohm, input voltage 10. Then power is equal to VI cos phi. Power VI cos phi. V under, then let us find current. To find current, we have to find Z. Current kandupidikkanamengil Z kandupidikkanam. Z means impedance, the total opposition offered by an AC circuit. Then Z is equal to root of R square plus XL square. That is root of 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 ohm. Result is equal to 5 ohm. Then I is equal to V by Z. V is 10 volt. Then Z is equal to 5. So 10 by 5, that is equal to 2 ampere. Then cos phi or power factor. Cos phi is equal to R by Z. R is 3 ohm. Z 5 ohm. So answer will be 0.6. Cos phi is 0.6. Then we can calculate the power. Power P is equal to VI cos phi. That is 10 into 2 into 0.6. You will get 12 watt. That is, power consumed by the circuit, the resistor is 12 watt, and power consumed by whole circuit is also 12 watt. That means the power consumed by the resistor is equal to the total power consumed by the circuit. അതായത് ഒരു സർക്യൂട്ടിൽ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് മാത്രമേ, AC സർക്യൂട്ടിൽ റെസിസ്റ്റൻസ് മാത്രമേ പവർ കൺസ്യൂം ചെയ്യൂ, മറ്റൊന്നും പവർ കൺസ്യൂം ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. അതാണ് ഇത് നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പം ഇങ്ങനെ ഒന്ന് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we can easily calculate the power consumed by a resistor, and that will be equal to the power consumed by the whole circuit. This is about this AC circuit. Okay, I hope you understand this idea very clearly. If you like this, share ചെയ്യുക, subscribe ചെയ്യുക, support ചെയ്യുക. Okay, this is Srikumar signing off until we meet again.